Welcome to the SGM video, Gated Communities. It's estimated that today there are over 30,000 gated communities in the U.S., with over 7 million people living behind gates. Let's talk about people wanting entry into a property where you're stationed at the gatehouse. Most people are going to be authorized or respectful. However, there are some that will not be, and additionally, there are rules that will need to be followed regardless of who is wanting access. Your site will of course have specific post instructions that have been created, but here are some basic guidelines of events that you may encounter while on your site. There's a wide variety of access control cards. Some examples of cards include magnetic swipe, barcode, and proximity. They all require the user to present the card to the reader to gain access. Security patrol cars have lettering on both sides identifying them as a security vehicle, and some even have light bars on the roof. Conducting random patrols helps to confuse a criminal and hopefully cause them to leave your property in fear of being caught. When the focus is on keeping people out, it's assumed that residents won't cause any problems. However, domestic disputes, vandalism, and even theft occur from residents. This is why having security officers on site is very important. It boosts security within the community instead of just focusing on outside sources. It's a good idea to know the geographical building layout surrounding the streets, alleys, and stores for each post that you're assigned to. When someone approaches the gate, stand up and greet the guest or resident. Don't just press an access button and wave people through. That's not the right way to do it. Try to learn the residents' names. This gives them a sense of personal contact and helps you monitor who's coming and going daily on your site. If your job includes inspecting identification, do that respectfully.